Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice exponential problem, that is x to the power 6 is equal to x minus 6 whole to the power 6. So we have to find all possible values of x. Here we are going to start our solution, that x to the power 6, and shifting this term to our left hand side, then we will get minus x minus 6 whole to the power 6 is equal to 0. And remember, here most of students do this step here, that x to the power 6 and x minus 6 to the power 6, here exponent are same, so x will be, let's say if we just write here that if exponents are same, so x will be x minus 6. Now here we have x minus 6, that is 0 is equal to minus 6, so it is actually it is not possible here. So here it is not wrong way, but not the value of x. We cannot find the value of x by doing this. So if we just take absolute value, let's say x absolute, so it will be x minus 6 absolute, and here we will get x is equal to 3. It is right way, but here we have only one solution of x, which is real solution, and there will be no complex solution here. So we have to just find the value of all possible values of x by doing the proper way. So we are going to start that x to the power 6 here, and this x to the power 6 can also be written as that x cubed whole squared, and minus this x minus 6 whole cube to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now we see that it is actually a squared minus b squared. So we know that if we have a squared minus b squared, it will be equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here our next step will be, here it is a, so here we are going to write a plus b, which is x minus 6 whole cubed, it is a plus b times a minus b, so x cubed minus x minus 6 whole cubed, it is a minus b, that is equal to 0. Now there are two possible conditions here. Let's say the first one is x cubed plus x minus 6 whole cubed is equal to 0, and other one is x cubed minus x minus 6 whole cubed is equal to 0. We have two possible cases here. Now we are going to solve our first case here, that is case 1, which is x cubed plus x minus 6 whole cubed, that is equal to 0. So it is our case 2, but we are going to solve our case 1 first. Now here we see that it is a cube plus b cube, so we know that by algebraic formula, if we have a cube plus b cube, then it will be equal to a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. So applying this formula into our problem here, x cubed, so we just write that x plus a plus b means x plus x minus 6 times here x squared minus x times x minus 6 and plus x minus 6 whole squared, so it is equal to 0. Now here x plus x is 2x minus 6, and here x squared times x squared minus x times x is x squared, minus times minus is plus 6x, and here it is a minus b whole squared. So we know that a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So here it will be x squared and minus 2 times a times b, which is 2 times a is x, b is 6, and plus b squared means 6 squared is equal to 0. Now our next step will be 2 times x minus 6 times that this x squared can be cancelled out with x squared, so we have this x squared and plus 6x, here it is plus 6x, and it will be 6 times 2 is 12, so it will be minus 12x. So minus 12x plus 6x, we have minus 6x, and here 6 squared is equal to 36, that is equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 6 times x plus 36 is equal to 0. So here we have two possible cases, that 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, and x squared minus 6 times x plus 36 is equal to 0. So now we are going to solve these two cases here, that 2x is equal to, shifting minus 6, we have plus 6, and here dividing 2 on both hand side, so we will get cancelling 2 with 2. So x is equal to 2 times 3 is 6, that x is equal to 3. So let's say it is our first value of x, that is x1 is equal to 3. It is a real value. Now here it is quadratic equation, so we have to use quadratic formula here. For this purpose, here value of a is equal to 1, because squared x squared coefficient of x squared is 1, and similarly b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 36. Now using quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So using values of a, b and c here, then we will get, so here x is equal to, that minus b is minus 6 plus minus square root of b squared means minus 6 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 36 whole square root all over 2 times a. So a is 1, 2 times 1. Now x is equal to, here x is equal to, that is minus times minus is plus 6, we have plus minus square root of minus 6 squared, as it is even, so we just write that 36, and here minus 4 times 36 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now x is equal to, that is x is equal to 6 plus minus square root of, here if we take 36 is common, so we have 1 minus 4 all over 2. Now our next step is x is equal to, that is 6 plus minus that 36 square root, and 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3 whole square root all over 2. Now our next step will be 6, here 6 plus minus, we can write this 36 square root separately, that square root of 36 times square root of 3 and times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Now x is equal to, here x is equal to, that is 6 plus minus square root of 36 is equal to 6, and here square root of 3, we know that square root of minus 1 is equal to I all over 2. Now here if we just take 2 is common, so we will get 3 plus minus 3i square root of 3 all over 2, cancelling 2 with 2. So we have two possible values of x, that is x is equal to, let's say it is x2 and x3, which is equal to 3 plus minus 3i square root of 3. So these are two other solution of x, which is complex solution here. Now we are going to solve our case 2. Here it was our case 1 and it is case 2, x cubed minus x minus 6 whole cubed. So solving this case 2 here, then we have our case 2 is x cubed minus x minus 6 whole cubed is equal to 0. Now here we are going to use algebraic formula, that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So here we will get a, which is x, minus b, which is x minus 6, times, here we have a squared, which is x squared, and plus a times b means x times x minus 6 plus x minus 6 whole squared is equal to 0. Now here x minus time plus is minus, x and minus time minus is plus 6 times x squared plus x time x is x squared, and plus time minus is minus 6x, plus here it is a minus b whole squared, so we can expand it like x squared minus 2 times x times a times b, so 2 times x times b is 6, and plus 6 squared is equal to 36, that is equal to 0. Now here we have x minus x, we just cancel out, plus x minus x, which is equal to, here only we get 6, so 6 times, here we have x squared plus x squared plus x squared, like terms we are going to add, we get 3x squared. Now this minus 6x and minus 12x is equal to minus 18x, and here plus 36, that is equal to 0. Now if we divide both hand side by 6, so here 6 can be cancelled out, and 0 by 6 is equal to 0. So our next step will be, here we have 3x squared minus 18x plus 36 is equal to 0. Now if we divide that by 3, so we have here, we will get that 3 times 3 divided by 3 is x squared, and minus 6x, and here we have 12, that is equal to 0. So x squared minus 6x plus 12 is equal to 0. It is quadratic equation. Now we are going to use quadratic formula here, that here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 12. Now using quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So here putting values of a, b and c, then we will get x is equal to minus time minus 6 plus minus square root of b squared means minus 6 squared, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 12 whole square root all over 2 times a is 2 times 1. So x is equal to, here x is equal to minus time minus is plus 6 plus minus square root of minus 6 whole squared is equal to 36, and here 4 times 12 is 48 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So next step is 6 plus minus 36 minus 48, we will get minus 12, so square root of minus 12 all over 2. Here x is equal to, here x is equal to that 6 plus minus square root of 12 times square root of minus 1 all over 2, and 6 plus minus square root of 12, as we know that 4 times 3 is 12, so square root of 4, that is square root of 4 times square root of 3 times minus 1 square root is equal to I all over 2. So x will be 6 plus minus square root of 4 is equal to 2, and here we just write here I and times square root of 3 all over 2. So here if we take 2 is common, x is equal to 2 is common, here 3 plus minus 1 means I times square root of 3 all over 2. So cancelling 2 with 2, we have x is equal to 3 plus minus I 3 plus minus I times square root of 3. So it is our value of that x4 and 5. So here we have another two complex solution that we just find out. Now if we just write here that if we just prove our problem, so we have real value of x, which is x is equal to 3. Now we are going to verify our problem here. Now for verification we use a real value that x is equal to 3. So putting here we have x to the power 6, it is our problem. So 3 to the power 6 is equal to 3 minus 6 whole to the power 6. Here we have 3 to the power 6. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3 whole to the power 6. So 3 to the power 6 is equal to, here we know that if we have negative minus 3, that is negative value, and have positive exponent means even exponent, so we will just write that minus 3 here, minus 3, it is equal to minus 3 to the power 6, it is equal to 3 to the power 6. So here 3 to the power 6, we see that our left hand side, that is 3 to the power 6, is equal to 3 to the power 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is our that value of x, which is 3. It is true for this problem. So now here we have other solution that are complex solution. Now we just write our final answer including complex solutions. So here our first value of x, which is x1, that is equal to 3. So x1 is equal to 3. So here x1 is equal to 3, it is our real value, that real solution. Now we have complex solution as well. So here we have x2 and x3. Just find out that x2 and x3 is 3 plus minus 3I square root of 3. So x2 and 3 is equal to 3 plus minus 3I times square root of 3. And similarly we have x4 and x5, that is equal to 3 plus minus I square root of 3. So x4 and x5, that is equal to 3 plus minus I times square root of 3. So here we see that these four solutions, here we have these four solutions are complex solutions. So we have 5 possible solutions including real and complex solution. Now we just check our entire solution here step by step, that we have just find out all possible values of x by using different mathematical techniques and algebraic formulas. So here it is complete solution of on this problem. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.